Hello, I'm Dr. Sonal Parihar. I'm the faculty for obstetrics and gynecology at Manipal Medes. I have been teaching the NEET PG aspirants, the MBBS students and the practicing doctors for the last almost 5 to 6 years on different platforms including YouTube. If I talk about my subject, obstetrics and gynecology is one of the most important subjects when it comes to NEET PG exams. It's a vast topic which I have tried to concise in 100 hours. So in Manipal Medes, you will find 100 hours of obstetrics and gynecology lectures. Along with that, you will see the MCQs. They have been organized subject-wise, topic-wise. Like for example, if I talk about PIH. PIH means hypertensive diseases in pregnancy. A very vast topic which I have tried to summarize in small 6 to 7 different videos, and even the MCQs are organized that way. So predictors of PIH, management of PIH, magnesium sulfate, everything has been organized. Similarly, the other tutors at Manipal Medes have tried to simplify the subject as much as they can so that it becomes easy for you to learn. So I hope you like the app. In the app, you can get grand tests, you can get subject-wise tests, and this app is catering not just to the NEET PG aspirants, but the first year students, final year students, and even the practicing doctors, even the PG students who are actually practicing in their particular subject. They can also take help from this app. So I wish you all the best and happy learning.